Abhyaz proudly presents Sailesh Pandian Ramalingam, Finance Executive Intern, and Anusha Patil, Data Analytics Intern.
Hello, my name is Sailesh Pandian. I am a finance executive intern at Abhyaz.
Hello, my name is Anusha Patil. I have recently completed my internship at Abhyaz.
I would like to thank my mentor at Abhyaz team for their generous guidance and structured approach to learning throughout the internship.
During this internship, I worked on real-time business data and analytics projects using the Zoho ecosystem. The focus was not on to build the dashboards, but mainly on the business requirements.
During my internship, I worked on projects where I was involved in finance automations, including adding and managing vendors, creating and purchase receivable and generating sales invoice, and also work extensively on entering and requesting payables and receivables, ensuring data accuracy and system alignment. Additionally, I gained an hands-on exposure to a Zoho books, which helped me understand the real-world accounting workflow.
One of my key project was to create a case model dashboards where I have worked on analyzing the data, identifying KPIs, and designing the dashboards that help me to track case status, performance, and its efficiency. This project helped me to understand how the analytics works in day-to-day operations.
My key takeaway from Abhyaz includes a strong understanding of process-driven accounting, the importance of reconciliation, and how automation improves efficiency and accuracy in finance operations.
I also worked on creating a record dashboards where I have analyzed the applicant's data.
Mentors at Abhyaz were supportive and detail-oriented and always encouraged practical learning. It significantly enhanced my confidence in finance systems.
The main valuable thing of this internship was the mentorship. They were very supportive and guided me in every step. This helps me to strengthen my technical skills and professional approach to problem solving.
To future interns, I would recommend being consistent, asking questions, and fully engaging with the projects, as Abhyaz provides excellent exposure to the real-world business process.
I am thankful to Abhyaz for this wonderful opportunity and highly recommend this internship to anyone looking to build a strong foundation in data analytics. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhyaz, for this valuable learning opportunity.
Start your journey with Abhyaz today.